Happy New Year, divine souls. Welcome to showers. Showers of divine blessings, healing, and much more. New Year blessing. A new year, new day, new beginning, and of course, an excellent day to start with a Reiki prayer and merge in it. Prayer is one of the best ways of expressing yourself with love and intent to the Creator by pouring out the heart to the source. We should be true to ourselves while expressing. I would like to share my thanks and request prayer to the loving universal life force energy for being with us for all year long as the new year came and new year went. As Reiki works brilliantly with intention and visualization, it will be fantastic to start off the year with a Reiki blessing. I thank myself for being here. I thank Mikausi. I thank all the divine souls and energies, parents, teachers, masters, grandmasters, ascended masters, angels, archangels, spirit guides, all world healers, divine symbols, crystals, switchwords, mantras for being in our lives. Thank them and feel their loving presence. Thank all your tools or anyone you feel like. Thank you, Reiki, for being in my life. Thank you, Reiki, for healing me in the past year. Please keep healing me this year also. I need your help. Please help me to do self healing every day. Please help me to stay connected with you all the time. Please help me to stay grounded all the time. Please help me to stay shielded and protected in your divine light. Visualize yourself shielded and protected in the divine light. Please help me to live by Reiki principles. Please help me to raise my vibration. Visualize your aura smooth and dense with purity and brightness. Please balance my five elements: fire, air, space, earth, and water. Please help me to be a channel for healing. Visualize yourself channeling Reiki as it is emanating from you. Please help me to connect to the source, to who I am. I am forgiveness. I am peace. I am love. I am joy. I am health. I am prosperity. I am a divine soul and one with the universe. Please help me to connect to my true being. Please heal me, my family, the world, and the universe. Please help me to serve the humanity and live a meaningful life. Please help me heal our Mother Earth. Every day while doing self-healing, you can set an intention with a distant symbol that Mother Earth is getting healed along. My ear is filled with divine love and light. Visualize your ear the way you expect for the greatest good. I manifest a miracle now. I open and align myself with this prayer for my highest good. I am a channel of divine Reiki light. So be it. Feel yourself blessed. Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Reiki. I believe that starting a day with heartfelt prayers, with purest intentions, raises your vibration and brings positivity to your body, mind, and spirit, and gives you a feeling of wholeness and completeness. You can do this prayer whether it's a new year or religious new year, or you want to start afresh, or basically anytime you feel like. Self dedication and surrendering to the Reiki is the divine key to any prayer being answered. Divine Reiki will help to turn your words into actions. Thank you for accompanying me in that prayer. Thanks to all gurus for the divine guidance and blessings. Love and light. Have a blessed and enlightened year. Thank you.